You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Today, we're exploring visualization techniques that help you mentally align with your goals and set 2025 up for extraordinary success. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's an intentional practice where you mentally picture your desired outcomes. Studies have shown that this process activates the same brain areas as physically performing the task, making it a proven tool for achieving your goals. When you visualize your success, you create a mental roadmap that helps you stay focused, motivated, and prepared for challenges. To start, try the daily vision practice. Each morning, spend 2 to 3 minutes visualizing a successful day ahead. Picturing yourself completing tasks, navigating obstacles with ease, and feeling accomplished by the evening. This practice primes your mind to approach the day with clarity and confidence. Another technique is the vision board method. Create a physical or digital board filled with images, words, and quotes that represent your 2025 goals. Place it where you can see it daily, like on your desk or your phone wallpaper, as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. Seeing your vision board regularly strengthens your commitment and keeps your goals top of mind. Finally, you can use the future self visualization. Imagine yourself a year from now having achieved your goals. What does your life look like? How do you feel? This exercise not only fuels your motivation, but helps you reverse engineer the steps needed to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Visualization isn't just about picturing success. It's about creating the mindset and the energy to make success inevitable. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you're setting yourself up for a 2025 that's not just planned, but actively envisioned. That's all for today's episode of Thrive in 5. Here's your action steps for today. Spend 5 minutes visualizing one major 2025 goal. Picture yourself achieving it in vivid detail and identify one small action you can take today to bring that vision closer to reality. I hope these strategies today inspire you to make every minute count in 2025. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.